Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus and exam pattern of UPSC CDS 1 examination. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. If anyone want to download the syllabus and exam pattern of UPSC CDS 1, we had provided the link in the description. You can download the syllabus from that link. And before seeing the exam pattern, let us know the complete details of this examination. You all know that the organization that is conducting this exam is Union Public Service Commission for the post Combined Defence Services Exam 1, and the job location is across India. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website upsc.government.in. Let's see the exam pattern. For admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, there will be 3 subjects in the question paper and the time duration for each subject is 2 hours. Each subject consists of 100 marks, so total 300 marks, and the questions are objective type. And if we see the exam pattern for admission to Officers Training Academy, there will be 2 subjects in the question paper and the time duration for each subject is 2 hours and each subject is of 100 marks, so total 200 marks, and this is also an objective type question paper. Here you have to note one thing. The papers in all the subjects will consist of objective type questions only, and the question papers of general knowledge and elementary mathematics will be set bilingual in Hindi as well as English, and in the question papers, wherever necessary, questions involving the metric system of weights and measures only will be set. Candidates must write the papers in their own hands. In no circumstances they will be allowed the help of the scribe to write answers for them. And for the intelligence and personality test, the SSB procedure consists of 2 stages selection process, stage 1 and stage 2. Only those candidates who clear the stage 1 are permitted to appear for the stage 2. Let's see the details of the stages. The stage 1 comprises of officer intelligence rating test or picture perspection, description test, PP and DT. The candidates will be shortlisted based on combination of performance in the OIR test and PP and DT test. And the stage 2 comprises of interview, group testing officer task, psychology test and the conference, and these tests are conducted over 4 days. Let's see the syllabus. In English subject, the question paper will be designed to test the candidates' understanding of English and workman-like use of words. And in general knowledge, it includes knowledge of current events and such matters of everyday observation and experience in their scientific aspects. The paper will also include questions on history of India and geography of our nature, which candidate should be able to answer without special study. And for the subject elementary mathematics, you will get questions on the topics arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, mensuration and statistics. This is the brief information of syllabus and exam pattern of UPSC CDS examination. If you want to download the complete syllabus and exam pattern, we had provided the link in the description. You can download the syllabus from that link. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.